take a look at the steps of the Supreme Court. Saw Democrats there protesting President Trump's immigration crackdown. Of course, it is a big day for the court. President Trump is going to unveil his choice to replace Justice Scalia in prime time tonight.
But first, we want to get to that breaking news overnight. The president firing and replacing the acting U.S. Attorney General Sally Yates after she refused to defend the administration's immigration and travel order. President Trump calling it a betrayal. Our senior justice correspondent Pierre Thomas joins us now, has the latest from Washington. Good morning, Pierre.
Good morning, Robin. You're fired. That was the conclusion of a fast-moving showdown playing out last night between two of the most powerful offices in Washington.
The high-stakes drama began shortly before 6:30 p.m. The nation's chief law enforcement officer, in an act of open defiance, aimed at the President of the United States. Acting Attorney General Sally Yates refusing to allow Justice Department attorneys to defend President Trump's executive order banning some refugees and immigrants from the U.S.
I'm very grateful for this opportunity and grateful for President Obama's nomination.
Yates and Obama administration holdover, sending a dramatic letter to department lawyers saying she was not sure President Trump's order was, quote, lawful, and that she was not convinced it was consistent with the institution's obligation to always seek justice and to stand for what is right. In roughly 3 hours, Trump responded by firing Yates, the White House issuing a blistering statement saying that Yates had, quote, betrayed the Department of Justice by refusing to enforce Trump's order, which administration officials say was designed to protect the American people.
Yates, a 27-year veteran of the Justice Department, had been asked to stay on by the Trump administration until his nominee for Attorney General could be confirmed. That said, she did overrule career attorneys at Justice who said Trump's order was indeed legal. Robin?
And Pierre, we know that the president has already appointed a new acting Attorney General.
That's right. The White House called Yates weak on immigration, and Trump appointed a new acting Attorney General last night, Dana Bente, who quickly overturned Yates' decision in perhaps the most dramatic several hours I've seen in nearly 20 years of covering the Justice Department.